I actually think question 37 is a lot like question 36, where my explanation was basically I have no explanation. Here, though, I think I can more confidently say that if you trust your instincts, you're going to get this right. It's the same thing. They're both diction questions, right? So they're both testing the wording of a sentence. And in English, there are reasons sometimes we have to choose certain words. That's what vocab questions are about. Sometimes there are words that can easily be confused, but that have certain rules. That's what the frequently confused words questions are about. Sometimes we pick a wording that is shorter because it's just more efficient. These kinds of questions are more just like we say certain things because we say them. There isn't really a rule. There isn't something you can look up in a dictionary. It's just something that you get from experiencing the language. And I think only one choice really sounds good here, right? Let me try to read them and let's see. The authors of an article published in October 2013 go so far to assign blame for the distortion to the newspaper industry. I'm going to start shortening the sentence. The authors go as far to assign blame for the distortion of the newspaper industry. The authors go as far and to assign blame for the distortion to the newspaper industry. The authors go so far as to assign blame for the distortion. Go so far as to. Why are we saying all those little words one in a row like that? I don't know, but that's what it is. If we start to trim the sentence a little bit, maybe it gets easier to hear those kinds of things. This is a case where maybe narrowing your focus a little bit can help because you start to just like put all the right words together and you remove from your brain the words that don't matter. That's kind of hard to do because there are other questions where that might get us in trouble, but you know, this is what happens with diction questions. We just need to kind of try the best we can, trust our instincts and hope that they're going to help us. If they don't, sorry, not much you can do. This is not a high priority question though. You know, do the best you can. You'll get half of these right, hopefully more. If there's bad luck, it might not be that you get them all right, but you do the best you can on these and you really study the other stuff where the rules are predictable, the reasons are predictable, and that where effort will 100% pay off. The only thing you can do here is just read more and talk in English more and watch more TV. All that stuff helps. It helps your brain absorb these kinds of phrases that we just say because we say them. D is the answer because it's the answer. That's about it.